Just like so many things, vacuum cleaners are no different. I gotta tell you that this here old relic, this vacuum cleaner is the one I've been using for hundreds of years, it seems. This Sears or the Hoover or the Eureka or, you know, whatever. This thing, I mean, that thing is literally 21 pounds. I'm a man, that's heavy. It's so heavy, actually, that my girl in the front office, I asked her to vacuum the floor, and she says, no, I'm not going to use that big, heavy thing. I says, what are you talking about, heavy? It's not that heavy. I tried to turn it on and push it right through this rug right here, which I'm going to demonstrate with this new Dream T30 over here. That thing just sucks this whole rug up, and it drags it with it. It's such a pain in the ass to use. The hose, you got the darn nozzle's always getting in your way. The cord, which I chopped off because I'm going to recycle this thing after I'm done with this video. It's just heavy, it's awkward, this damn hose, the attachments are always falling off the damn thing. When you gotta clean it, you gotta get in there. Obviously, look at all that nasty dust flowing out. Bags are expensive. Sometimes hard to find. When you buy them, you have to buy them in bulk packs. You can't really just even get one or a la carte. These days, it's all, you know, basically cordless. That's the direction that they're going, as well as rechargeable and bagless. I mean, this Dream T30 right here is all of those things. Now, Samsung has one. Who's the other company? Dyson. We have one of those at home. Actually, when I got this vacuum cleaner from this manufacturer, my intention was, when I saw it, I said, my God, my wife's gonna love this. My anniversary's coming up. I says, this is perfect for her. But the reality is, once the girls in the office saw it, they won't let me get rid of it. So they told me to get rid of this, or otherwise they're gonna get rid of me. So this is gonna stay. This one is gone. This is gonna be the new vacuum cleaner. Look at this little wonder. You don't have to deal with the height and all this kind of stuff. You turn it on, bend it over, trying to pick it up, get down higher, changing the modes from flat floor to carpet, high pile, low pile, all this crap, all these different settings and buttons and just nonsense. I mean, this thing is just such a pain in the ass to use. My God, I can't even believe that I was using this thing as long as I've been using this thing. So when I got this, I didn't realize I needed it until I got it. Now that I have it, I can't live without it. Let me just show you what this thing's all about. So it's got this little display right here. It tells you the mode of what's going on. You can quickly lock it, turn it on, turn it off. I'm just gonna turn it on eco mode. And then you can see there's automatic or medium. And you got super high turbo. You don't need all that turbo nonsense. Look at this. It's almost like fun to vacuum, if you can imagine that. And I'm a guy. Can you imagine how this is for a woman or someone who does housework every single day? Cleaning up after pigs like kids and pets and everything else like that. This thing is really a freaking godsend. It's so light. I love this thing. I never thought I'd be saying that about a vacuum cleaner, but heck, I like this thing, man. This thing is almost pleasant. It's like a toy, actually, playing with this thing. I almost can't stop. So I'm gonna try to control myself and behave for the sake of this video, because this really is a game changer. This vacuum cleaner is so light, it literally is like, it feels like maybe just over 2 pounds. Rechargeable. It's got a little dock station, so you have all your little accessories in one nice, neat little place. It holds a charge for a heck of a long time. I vacuumed this whole warehouse in the back, front, and this thing was still going strong. It was looking for no charge needed. Look at that little thing. And all these little attachments, one button, you pull it up, boop, it's gone. Here's the box that it comes in, and these are all the attachments. Actually, this here is the base where you can actually wall mount this thing, and you can have all your attachments nice and neat right on the wall right there. And like I said, one push of a button, this thing comes right apart, and all the attachments, simple. You get 2 pins, so it gets power right through there. No wires, no cords, no mess, no nothing. You got this bendable attachment, you got different brushes, even got this great nozzle. Even they had the foresight to actually have it clear so you can see if this thing's clogged. I mean, just what a difference a good vacuum can make in your life. I had no idea. Is your extender nice and neat, goes back together, very good. I'll tell you, man, the technology in some of this vacuum cleaner appliance stuff these days, unbelievable. And I can't believe I'm so excited about a damn vacuum cleaner. That's the funny thing. Like I was saying, to change and interchange the attachments, you just push the button, pull it up. Look at this. Boop. plug it in, it makes a nice reassuring click. It only goes on one way. It's super easy and smooth to make a transition between one attachment and the other. It stores, it takes up literally a quarter of the space that this beast used to take over. So I gotta say, you're staying here with me. This thing really is a dream. So if you're looking to get a vacuum cleaner, a good, nice, new, modern vacuum cleaner that really works and does the job, look no further than this Dream T30. There's a link down below in the description, and you can pick one of these up for yourself. This thing's really nice. It is a dream. Whoever came up with that name, you called it right. Here's some juice. I'll see you again next week when we vacuum once again, my friend.